How to receive money through your Binance account or in your Binance account itself. For this, you should follow the steps here. Payments in cryptocurrencies, payments in a specific cryptocurrency and amount, how you can simply receive it on your account. For this, as you can see on your application, you have to click on generate a QR for payment and uh, cryptocurrencies. You simply have to update your receive QR code, generate a QR code for a specific payment or a specific cryptocurrency. You should simply save that QR code from this menu, and then you can add the amount that you want to get receive or in your account, or you want to add or to get the payment. Simply send the QR code to the pay that the person who wants to pay you, and they will enter the amount, or they will simply get redirected to the QR, and they will be able to send you the cryptocurrency directly through this QR code, and you can select currency and amount also. So this is how you can do it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and please subscribe to this channel.